Shock. Thuli Mandosela said that blacks use racism as an excuse for their failures. Racism makes us feel like victims and remember that victims never rise. The reason we don't succeed after every war is because of our inability to move forward. Asterisk we don't forgive, asterisk we keep focusing on the enemy instead of picking up the pieces and building afresh. I think the reason the Afrikaner nation was able to build themselves into a formidable nation was to forget the past and found ways to empower themselves. The Afrikaner was oppressed, confined to concentration camps by the English. Yet he rose and sent his kids to school. They were murdered in thousands, their women were raped and their babies starved to death in camps. But they rose because they moved beyond the hatred of their enemies. Instead of them toying, they, built their own schools, taught and trained their kids to, work hard and farm the land. They taught their kids real values of respect, Ubuntu. The problem with us black people is that, we see ourselves as victims. We feel sorry for ourselves and therefore deserve free things. Free houses, free money. We don't teach our kids the value of hard work. Our greatest enemy as a black nation today is blaming everybody and hating ourselves. We hate ourselves so much that, we destroy the things that belong to us. We destroy our schools, our libraries and our hospitals that were all given to us for free by white money. Check this out, one of all the black women raped yesterday, most of them were raped by black men. 2 of all the black PPL that were mugged yesterday, most of them were done by black men. 3 of all the black-owned houses that were broken into yesterday, most done by black men. 4 of all young black men that were shot and killed or stabbed to death yesterday, by black men. 5 of all the black-owned cars that were hijacked yesterday, most by black men. 6 of all the ATM cards that were swooped, by black men. 7 of all the black-owned cars that were involved in smash and grab yesterday, mostly done by black men. This is self-hate, and it's destroying the black man. Let's face our real demons as a black nation and rise to the occasion.